hope those cats don't hear me.
What you got there, Leroy?
Oh, no.
That little red wagon is really dragging.
This belongs to the junkyard. I want you guys to stay away from it.
Stay away from what, Leroy?
I don't want you guys messing with this dirt bike. It's worth money.
Yeah, you mean it's made of dirt?
Hey, no problem, Leroy. You can count on us to keep away from the bike. Trust me. Looking good, boys. Just the handlebars and air in the tires, and we're ready to see how fast this baby can go.
Okay, chum. Start to pump.
In with the good air, out with the bad air. You go first, Mungo.
Yeah, how come I get to go first?
'Cause you got the helmet, dummy.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I'm ready when you are.
Okay, all set.
Oh, no.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, Mungo, go!
Hey, slow down, furball. Let me off.
I can't see.
Better yell stop. I don't think he can see the jump coming up.
Hang on back there. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah, they say a mud pack is very good for the skin.
Wow.
Oh, no!
Looks like Mungo ran out of gas before the bike did. Hey, how come Wordsworth and I have to ride before you, Riff Raff?
Yeah, dude. Tell us fast. Why you go last?
Because you guys will set the pace for me to win. And I will, you know. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, what's that noise?
Uh-oh.
What are we stopping here for, boys?
'Cause I say we do, see? Besides, check that out over there.
What's so special about a junkyard, Panther?
It's a track for racing bikes, dummy. We're going in there and race bikes.
My skin should be beautiful after this mud pack.
Hey, what's happening, pal? Nice threads.
Hey, my name ain't Pal, okay? It's Panther. And we are going to offer you a little competition.
Hey! Riff Raff! Help!
Cleo!
Please, stop him! You creep! Let me go! Riff Raff will get you for this!
I'll get him, boss. He can't get away with this.
We need a scheme to handle this scene.
Quick, get me a barrel of oil.
A slick idea.
Phew!
Quick, move those skates as fast as you can.
Hang on and we're gone. This is totally gnarly, Charlie.
Grab on, Cleo. Quick.
I'm trying. Riff Raff!
So long, you lugheads.
Riff Raff, come back here!
Hector, stop the bike.
Okay, boss. You got it. Gee, Riff Raff, I didn't think that bike was built for 3.
You got that. 2 is cool. 3 is woo-wee.
And 4 is just right. That's it. We need a machine for 4.
Huh?
Riff Raff will save me from you. You meatball!
Hey, sticks and stones will break my bones, but your friend Riff Raff won't even come close.
Boy, am I busy.
You also better go on a diet and lose that spare tire.
A real work of art.
Yeah, Art will really dig it.
Art who?
Climb aboard, gang. We have some chains to rattle.
I'll stay back here as loose as a goose.
Let's go! Cleo!
Riff Raff saved me this minute!
Get him, man!
Don't you leave me here like this, you missing link!
What's the plan, Riff Man?
We'll give him plan A.
What's plan A?
How should I know? Okay, Mungo, go get him.
How?
Here's how. Nice work, Mungo.
No more Mr. Nice Cat. Let's get him. Weasel, hook him up. Let him, Bones. Now I'm getting the prize while you two finish off these hairballs.
Okay, Hector. Show this guy who belongs in the net.
You got it, Riff Raff.
Looks like you netted yourself a big one, Hector. Now, Wordsworth, get rid of that weasel on our back.
This weasel is drifting for a lifting.
Hey! Help!
My, oh my, he's high and dry.
I'll give Riff Raff just one more chance to save me.
Huh, that wimp is too busy with my boys to worry about you, babe. Now you're all mine.
Okay, boys, now that we have the gang under control, I have to get my girl back.
What's this?
Coming, dear.
So long, turkeys!
Take a hike.
Without your bike.
It took you long enough to rescue me, but I guess you deserve this.
You know something? I deserve this.